Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you want to install 7-Zip, it's actually pretty simple to do. All you guys need to do is open up your Google Chrome. Then inside of Google Chrome, you guys want to type in 7-Zip download. Hit enter. There's going to be the first link right here, download dash 7 dash zip. Left click that. And for most of you guys, you're going to want to download the 64-bit Windows version. If you guys have any sort of other operating system, you guys can go ahead and just download any of the other downloads. For me, I have a 64-bit Windows, so I'm going to hit the left click and download button right here. And then just give it a little second to install. And once it's done installing, you guys want to double click on it to open up the installer. And it's going to ask you if you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device. Just click yes, and it will start up the setup.exe. And for the destination folder, you guys can keep that on default unless you want to change it yourself. Just hit install, and it will go pretty fast, and it should say 7-Zip is installed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial and have a great rest of your day. Peace out.